Drop rate in Rust. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the important question related to the Rust of the topic drop and the follow-up question as well. So we will start this video. So explain drop rate in Rust. The drop rate allow a type to define custom cleanup logic that run automatically when a value goes out of scope. Rust uses the array resource execution is initialization pattern. So resources such as heap memory, file, sockets, and database connection are released deterministically when ownership ends. The drop method is called automatically by the compiler. Developers should not call it directly. Instead of std a double colon meme double colon drop method, functions can be used to explicitly release a value yearly. In backend application, the drop rate is essential for automatically releasing database connection, file handles, log network, and other without requiring a garbage collector. What is drop rate? Drop rate. The drop rate allows a type to define custom cleanup logic that executes automatically when the value goes out of scope. When is drop called? It is called automatically by the compiler when the owner of the value goes out of scope, when owners explicitly pass to this import packages जो कि inbuilt आता है. Study meme drop method. What is ray? Ray stands for resource executions is initialization. It ties the lifetime of a resource to the lifetime of its owning owning object, ensuring deterministic cleanup. Can you call drop directly? No, the drop method cannot be called directly to release a value yearly. Use this one. In what order are variables dropped? Variables are dropped in reverse order of their creation within the same scope. How is drop used in backend application? It used automatically release database connection, file handles, network socket, mutex guard, transaction, and other resources. What happens if a panic occurs? During the stack unwinding, Rust runs drop for the value on the stack, ensuring resources are cleaned up. However, if the program is configured to panic report, destructors are not run because the process terminates immediately. Can every type implement drop? Yes, but a type can implement the drop rate only once. Rust automatically invoke it when the value lifetimes end. Why is drop important for memory safety? It guarantees deterministic cleanup without relying on garbage collector, preventing many resource leak and ensuring predictable resource management. How do you use drop in your backend project? Most of the time I rely on library like SQLX, Tokyo, and the standard library which implement drop internally. Database connection, transaction guards, the file handles, and mutex guards are automatically clean up when they go out of scope, reducing the risk of resource leaking. I hope this video finds you well. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment and like my video and subscribe my channel if you liking my every series. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.